Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about Accenture documents upload update. So many people are asking me in comment section that we have not yet received document upload mail and where should we upload documents or all those things they are asking. See, in the tasks that they have assigned only one task, that is accepting the letter of intent. Done. After you accept the letter of intent, accepting the letter of intent is nothing but you have to just click on the accept or reject button over there. And after accepting, you will be getting a status like task that some sentence will be written, and beside that it will be written as accepted. Okay, done. So this is how you have to accept your LOI. After accepting your LOI, if you're having any other task apart from accepting your LOI, just do that, otherwise leave it. Okay, many people are worried about where we have to upload the documents. See, for documents upload, they will again send a separate mail. I've asked some of the people who are already placed in the previous batch, like in March April, drive has happened, right? So I've asked those people, and what they said was they received document upload mail after accepting the LOI after 1 week. After 1 week of accepting LOI, they got their document upload mail. So we don't know when our batch will get document upload mail. Let's wait. We will definitely get, and when they will send the mail, then you can upload the documents. Now don't worry that where we have to upload the documents on all. Okay. By then, make sure that you'll have all the documents which are required. I already made a separate video about what all the documents you have to collect in order to, upload the documents into the Accenture, and I'll also tell them again in this video at the end of the video. And so just collect all the documents and keep them aside. And then is Accenture still sending results is what people are having doubt. Yes, they are still sending the results. So it's not possible to send the results of all the students on a single day. So you can still have hope, because the best thing is they will be sending the rejection mail also. So if you are selected, you will get selection mail. If you are rejected, you will get rejection mail. So you need not worry about that, right? So if you did not get any mail, that doesn't mean that you're rejected. Okay, you may get your mail about selection or rejection. And so many people are asking me about the 28th May to 1st June batch. What about those people? So many people are asking. See, for you people, interviews have happened recently, right? Some of them had their interview yesterday, day before yesterday, today. So just wait. We guys had our interview starting from 14th of May, and we got it yesterday, right? So you will also get it within 1 week or within 2 days or within 15 days. We cannot say that. So you don't worry that we did not get our result yesterday, because your interview was yesterday or day before yesterday. It's not possible to give the result on the same day, right? So you'll definitely get. You have to wait. And as I said, I'll be telling what are the mandatory documents again in this video. See, the things you need is your mark sheets, your 10th grade mark sheet, your 12th grade mark sheet, and your engineering mark sheets from first semester to 6 semesters. Okay, in case if you are a 2021 graduate, you should definitely have all the mark sheets from semester 1 to semester 6. Okay, done. And all the mark sheets should be original one. And if in case of online results, since some of you may get 6th sem results online, so in case if it is an online result, it should be signed. Attested is nothing but it should be signed, or it should be sealed. I mean, your college stamp or something should be there on that. Okay, and for this you have to contact your TPO, or contact your examination branch, or contact somebody from your college. We are selected in Accenture. Within a few days we will be getting document upload mail also. So in that case, we have to upload all our documents, all our semester mark sheets, memos. So we want memos. You just ask them. Okay, they will tell some solution. If your college, if you are in a position to go to your college and take it, and if your college is open, so in that case, so they'll arrange something for you, right? And rejection mail. So people are also tense that whether we will get a rejection mail or not. You will get a rejection, as I already said. You will get either selection or rejection. Done. So this is about this video, and whenever Accenture will send a mail about document upload, I will definitely make a video again, and I'll give that update to you guys. So stay tuned to my channel for that. And also on my Instagram also I'll be posting. So I'll give you my link of my Instagram, Telegram channel, and also my Gmail in the description. most preferably contact me through Instagram or Telegram. In case if you're not having both of them, it's okay if you contact me on Gmail as well. Okay, so that's all guys for this video. If this video is helpful for you, just share it with your friends, and that's all for this video. Let's meet up soon in the next coming video with another update. And also if you want me to make any other videos, or if you are having any video recommendations for me, just let me know that in the comment section so that I can do it for you. And thanks for watching the video. Let's meet up soon in the next coming video.